Good morning, dear students. Welcome to science session. As we are discussing chapter number 7, sexual reproduction and endocrine system. And in previous class, we have discussed about the reproduction, mode of reproduction, and unisexual and bisexual animal. Today, we will discuss about fertilization, their types. So, fertilization is the process of fusion of male and female gametes. That is, sperms from male and ovum or the egg from the female. The fusion is called the fertilization. Means the mixing of sperm and ovum is called the fertilization. So when they mix together and when they fuse together, they form zygote. This is the first cell of the new organism. Zygote is called the first cell of the new organism. Now, fertilization are of two types, that is external fertilization and internal fertilization. The fertilization that takes place inside a body of animal or any organism is called internal fertilization. Right? Means when the fusion of male and female gametes takes place inside the body of female, it is called internal fertilization. And when the fusion of male and female gametes takes place outside the body of the female, it is called external fertilization. And this type of fertilization takes place in water animals, especially in aquatic animals. And it is common in frog and aquatic animals such as fish and starfishes. So, this is the main difference between internal and external fertilization. When the fusion of male and female gametes takes place inside the female body, that is called internal fertilization, which is generally occurs in animals rather than aquatic animals. And we can say the internal fertilization occurs in animals including the reptiles, insects, birds, dogs, and even in human beings. And external fertilization takes place especially in aquatic animals. Now, human reproductive system. Human have different reproductive system. Means male and female have different reproductive system. So first we will discuss about the male reproductive systems, means what are their different parts and what are their functions. So human male system, reproductive system mainly consists of the following organs. First one is testes. They are 2 in number and oval in shape. The shape of testes is 2 and these are 2 in number. They lie within the scrotum outside the abdominal cavity. They are found outside the body. And testes produces sperms. Right. Another organ is sperm duct. Sperm duct is a pair of sperm duct is present in male human reproductive system and carries a sperm to the urethra. The main function is to carry the sperm to the urethra. Now next is penis. Penis is a muscular and erectile tissue and it delivers the sperms into the vagina of the female. So these are the male reproductive organs which have different functions. First is testes, produces male sperms. The function is to produce sperm. Then sperm duct. It is a pair of sperm duct and it helps to carry the sperm to the urethra. Then last one is penis. It delivers the sperm into the vagina of the female.